Hello, this is Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health. Today I want to talk about something almost no doctor or supplement company will tell you. After 60, your muscles are not only getting weaker, they are being slowly erased. It is called sarcopenia, and it has become a trillion-dollar business. The shelves are filled with powders, pills, and protein bars, yet none of them fix the real cause. Muscle loss is not just about exercise or protein. It begins deep inside your cells. Here is the surprising truth. Studies now show that specific vegetables contain natural compounds that can switch back on the body's own muscle repair systems. These plant chemicals often work better than expensive supplements, and they are available in any market. In this video, we will look at the 5 most powerful vegetables for rebuilding strength after 60. They are simple, affordable, and backed by science. Let us begin. Number 5 is beets. They are rich in natural nitrates, which open up your blood vessels and improve circulation. Better blood flow means your muscles finally get the oxygen and nutrients they need to repair. Seniors who added raw or gently steamed beets to their diet showed stronger legs and better endurance in just weeks. Number 4 is sweet potatoes. These are not only comfort food, they help your muscles store energy, protect against inflammation, and balance blood sugar. With steady energy, recovery becomes easier and daily strength returns. Number 3 is spinach. This common green contains special plant compounds that act like gentle growth signals, switching on muscle building even in older adults. Just a cup a day can support protein use, reduce cramps, and improve recovery. Number 2 is red cabbage. Its deep purple color comes from natural anti-inflammatory pigments. These calm the hidden inflammation that quietly destroys muscle tissue and drains energy. Seniors who eat red cabbage daily often notice better grip strength and less joint pain. And the most powerful of all, number 1, is watercress. This small green is loaded with unique compounds that tell aging muscle cells to regenerate. It also protects your mitochondria, the tiny engines that power your body. Even a small handful of fresh watercress each day can bring back energy, circulation, and muscle tone. Your strength is not gone. It is waiting to be fed with the right foods. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone you care about. Subscribe to Gentle Health for more natural, science-based ways to stay strong and independent.